So, you've created your comments or inline annotations in Scrivener 3 for Windows. But do you want to print them? Well, Scrivener automatically assumes that you don't, which is probably the case in most situations. You only want the actual manuscript. If you do want to print them though, you need to go to Compile and the gear icon, where you can deselect the relevant tick box. It's that simple. Don't forget to change it back afterwards though. But what does it look like? Well, that depends. There are a number of options, but to change the default you will have to create your own compile format. I have a number of videos covering how to create your own format. I'll link one at the end, but I'll show you where to find the options now. So in the Compile Designer window there's an option down the side for footnotes and comments. You can see that comments can be printed as margin comments, the default, inline comments, as footnotes, or as endnotes. So it really depends on how you want to use the document. You can also change the markers for inline annotations, although I think square brackets is probably what most people would want. Here's how each of these options looks for this document. Margin comments, inline comments, footnotes, and endnotes. Honestly, I think the default is by far the best option, as it fully uses Microsoft Word's functionality. But you may disagree. Next time, we'll be talking about footnotes.